Given the equation 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to negative 12, x minus 2y plus z is equal to negative 5, and 3x plus y plus 2z is equal to 1. So we have equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. To solve this system of linear equations with three variables, first we're going to do is to decide which variables we're going to eliminate, either x, y, or z. So I'll choose x variables. So to eliminate x variables from first equation to second equation, multiply second equation by negative 2 and add it on the first equation. So therefore, we're going to copy the first equation, then multiply negative 2 in the second equation. So we got negative 2x plus 4y minus 2z is equal to 10. It's because negative 2 times x is equal to negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 2y is equal to positive 4y. Negative 2 times positive z is equal to negative 2z. And negative 2 times negative 5 is equal to positive 10. Then next, we're going to add this to equation. So we got y plus 2z is equal to negative 2. It's because 2x plus negative 2x is equal to 0. So we're going to cancel out this one. Then negative 3y plus positive 4y is equal to y. Then positive 4z plus negative 2z is equal to positive 2z. And negative 12 plus 10 is equal to negative 2. Then so after this, we're going to get the value of y. So to get the value of y, so we're going to add both sides by negative 2z. So we got y is equal to negative 2 minus 2z. So this will be our fourth equation. To eliminate x in second equation and third equation, multiply our second equation by negative 3 and add it on the third equation. So therefore, we get negative 3x plus 6y minus 3z is equal to 15. It's because negative 3 times x is equal to negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 2y is equal to positive 6y. And negative 3 times positive z is equal to negative 3z. And negative 3 times negative 5 is equal to positive 15. Then we're going to copy this, the third equation and add this to equation. So therefore, we got 7y minus z is equal to 16. It's because negative 3x plus 3x is equal to 0. So we're going to cancel out this one. Then 6y plus y is equal to 7y. Then negative 3z plus positive 2z is equal to negative z. And 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. So this will be our fifth equation. So to get the value of z, substitute the value of our y, which is y is equal to negative 2 minus 2z to the equation 5. So here is our equation 5, which is 7y minus z is equal to 16. So we're going to substitute each value. So which is 7 times which is the value of our y here is negative 2 minus 2z minus z is equal to 16. Then we're going to use the distribution property or distributive property. So 7 times negative 2 is equal to negative 14. 7 times negative 2z is equal to 14z minus z is equal to 16. So negative 14z minus z is equal to negative 15z is equal to 16 plus 14. Then negative 15z is equal to 16 plus 14 is equal to 30. Then we're going to divide both sides by negative 15 so that we can get the value of our z is equal to negative 2.
So to get the value of y, substitute the value of c, which is negative 2, from the equation 4. So y equals negative 2 minus 2c. So y equals negative 2 minus 2 times negative 2. So y equals negative 2. So negative 2 times negative 2 equals, may mo siyang positive 4. So y equals negative 2 plus 4 equals, y equals 2.
To get the value of x, substitute the value of y and z to the equation 2. So ang atong equation 2 is this. So x minus 2y plus z is equal to negative 5. So we have now x minus 2 times the value of y, which is 2, plus the value of z, which is negative 2, is equal to negative 5. So, nanatay x minus 4 minus 2 is equal to negative 5. So, negative 4 minus negative 2 is equal to 6. So, we have now x minus 6 is equal to negative 5. So, ito ang x, the value of x is 1.
So let's check the ordered tripole is the solution of the system of the equation. So our first equation, 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to negative 12. So we have to substitute the value of our x, y, and z. So 2, the value of our x is 1, minus 3, the value of our y is 2, plus 4, the value of our z is negative 2, equals negative 12. So 2 times 1 is equal to 2, negative 3 times 2 is equal to negative 6, 4 times negative 2 equals negative 8. So 2, negative 6 minus 8 is equal to negative 14. 2 minus 14 is equal to negative 12 equals negative 12. So next, we have to substitute the value of our second equation, which is x minus 2y plus z is equal negative 5. So the value of our x is 1, minus 2, the value of our y is 2, plus z, the value of our z is negative 2 equals negative 5. So 1, negative 2 times 2 is equal to negative 4 plus positive times negative is equal to negative 2 equals negative 5. So 1 minus negative 4 minus 2 is negative 6. So 1 minus 6 equals to negative 5 equals negative 5. So third equation, 3x plus y plus 2z equals 1. So we have to substitute the value of our x, y, and z. 3, the value of our x is 1 plus the value of our y is 2 plus 2, the value of our z is negative 2 equals 1. So 3 times 1 is equal to 3 plus 2. 2 times negative 2 equals negative 4. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So therefore, the ordered tripole 1, 2, and negative 2 is the solution of the system of the equation.